I arrive at the farmer's market. I arrive at the farmer's market. I hold a large empty basket. I hold a large empty basket. I see many people around. I see many people around. Of course, everyone in town is here. Of course, everyone in town is here. I walk to the fruit stall. I walk to the fruit stall. I touch a bright red apple. I touch a bright red apple. I smell the fresh apple. I smell the fresh apple. I put the apple in my basket. I put the apple in my basket. I stop at the vegetable stand. I stop at the vegetable stand. I look at the green spinach. I look at the green spinach. I buy this just to feel healthy. I buy this just to feel healthy. I take a big bunch of spinach. I take a big bunch of spinach. I give cash to the seller. I give cash to the seller. I put the change in my pocket. The change in my pocket. I walk to the bakery stall. I walk to the bakery stall. I smell the fresh baked bread. I smell the fresh baked bread. I say goodbye to my diet. I say goodbye to my diet. I point at a long baguette. I point at a long baguette. I take the warm paper bag. I take the warm paper bag. I break off a piece of bread. I break off a piece of bread. I taste the fresh bread. I taste the fresh bread. Yes, this is true happiness. Yes, this is true happiness. I walk to the flower stand. I walk to the flower stand. I hold a bright yellow sunflower. I hold a bright yellow sunflower. I pay for the beautiful flowers. I pay for the beautiful flowers. I look at my full basket. I look at my full basket. I only need 1 tomato today. I only need 1 tomato today. I sigh and adjust my glasses. I sigh and adjust my glasses. I walk slowly to my car. I walk slowly to my car.